Cybersecurity has never been simple, because attacks evolve every day. As attackers become more inventive, it is critical to properly define cybersecurity and identify what constitutes good cybersecurity. There's a high demand for security professionals that we help companies with security-related projects. In line with this, Experts Academy is offering its on-the-job senior high school cybersecurity training program. The increase of demand of security professionals and the need of cybersecurity awareness. Based on statistics, 2 years from now, there's a significant growth of companies focusing on cybersecurity-based projects. This includes Data Privacy Act compliance, Security Operations Center, and having a network security data infrastructure. So, why join Experts Academy's on-the-job training cybersecurity program for senior high? We benefit you of the following. We provide actual experience on different security solutions. Get trained by known security experts and security solutions provider. Achieve top security certifications and learn best security practices from industry practitioners. The scope of our on-the-job training program is to train students from top security solutions provider, get certified by the top security solutions provider, to expose students on security products through training in actual lab, and to get actual experience through deployment of different security solutions. Powered by our security solutions provider. Powered by Sophos, Fortinet, CompTIA, and Experts Prime IT Services. We are here to go beyond awareness and to help keep an organization secure.